This is how to upload files to InfinityFree. So from your InfinityFree dashboard, go to hosting accounts and select a domain, for instance, this one. Click manage and scroll down. You can see here open in file manager. There is also a file manager here. So let's open this. Here you can see upload, or if your file is a zip file, you can just click upload and unzip. So let's start to upload files. So click upload. Okay, we will choose files and let's browse. Okay, for instance, this folder right here, HTML. Okay, we will open index file, upload files, and the file has been uploaded. If you want to upload an image, so just choose images. Let's say upload this one. And the file has been uploaded. And if you want to upload a zip file, so just click upload and unzip. We'll choose a zip file. Okay, this one. And upload and extract. And the file has been extracted. So this is how to upload files to InfinityFree.